In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp on your website. First, you need to log into your admin panel. Once you're logged in, click on Plugins and then click on Add New. Then you just need to type WhatsHelp. So this plugin is the one that we recommend because we already tested this one, and you can install it by clicking on this button, or you can click on this button, check for the details, and click on Install Now here. So let's click that one. Only take a couple of seconds. Once that's done, click on Activate. There you go. WhatsHelp chat button is activated. So we just need to configure it. To configure it, just click on WhatsHelp on the lower left hand side of your screen. So it says here, check your website to see if the chat button is present. We're not going to do that now. You can always get a new code at www.whatshelp.io/widget and paste it in the form below. So let's do that now. So in here, you can customize what kind of messaging app you want to integrate this one. You can do Messenger, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Line, Telegram, and so on. But we're going to do WhatsApp at the moment. Then you're going to put your phone number. Customizing your button, you need a pro feature for that, so we're not going to do that. But you can customize the position, which is left or right. And this is also a pro feature, so we're not going to touch this for now. And you can just put your email here to get the code. Now it says here, copy and paste this code before the body tag on every page of your website. You're not going to do that. So what you're going to do is just copy this one, put it here, and click on Save Changes. And let's check the website if it has the WhatsApp button. There you have it. You have the WhatsApp button on the lower right hand side of your website. People can start messaging you directly if they have any questions. Thank you for watching. Until next time.